first saw a Tornado when I was an air cadet in 1976 at the Blackpool Air Show. It did a flyby. That evening we pushed the BBMF Lancaster back into the hangar. That aircraft was only 30 years old at that time. The Tornado behind me is 35 years old and was flying on operations just 2 months ago. So it shows the longevity of this aircraft and how we've been able to maintain it, upgrade it and make it relevant in the 21st century. Well, the aircraft was designed for a Cold War role, obviously 40 years ago, and that role has changed dramatically. The weapons the aircraft carries have changed dramatically to a lot more precision-based weaponry, and the DE&S has been involved in converting the aircraft to fit those new weapons. And obviously the GR1, GR4 upgrade about 15 years ago was a DE&S-led project to convert 142 aircraft. So it was quite emotional when that last jet taxied in and the engine shut down for the last time, the canopy opened. It was quite emotional to think an aircraft that served the nation so well is not going to fly anymore. But we move on to the F-35, which has much greater capability and is the way to the future. All things must come to an end, and it's done its job very, very well.